English essay on Atmanirbhar Bharat. How can school children contribute in national development? इसके हेडिंग्स हैं इंट्रोडक्शन, एवरी चाइल्ड शुड गेट द राइट ऑफ एजुकेशन, नीड फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट एजुकेशन, सेल्फ रिलायंट इंडिया, द रोल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री, lack of proper guidance negatively impacts students, the conclusion. Introduction. The self-reliant India that the Prime Minister of our country has envisioned as an independent India, the students of our country will play an important role in the creation of that India. Student power has been called the national power. Students are the strong pillars of the country on which the building of the country stands forward by developing all around development of any nation in the future. Students can play an important role in creating a self-reliant India by giving the nation a separate identity. Every child should get the right to education. The students of our country constitute a large part of the population. On those little shoulders, the future of the country rests. Even after 70 years of independence, India is far behind in the field of education. The Right to Education Act has been enacted for 14 years old children in India. Then there are lakhs of children who are not going to school, so it is necessary to first ensure that every child receives education. Need for employment education. If the country wants to improve education, first of all, it should improve the quality of schools and colleges so that our students can be provided with world-class education. It is very important to give education based on employment and new technology to children from schools, colleges. It is important to give priority to such subjects from schools, colleges which can develop skills within the students so that in future they get the possibilities of employment can be great. Self-reliant India, the important role of students in the development of the country. For the progress of any nation, it is very important to be educated of the students there. These children can give a right direction to the country later. An ideal student will use his education for the overall development of his society, his country. Students have unlimited talent and energy by which he can destroy the root of many evils prevailing in the society. If the students' agitations are talked about, the political powers are also forced to bow down. With their ability, they can play every important role in making the country self-reliant by removing all the obstacles that come in nation building. Lack of proper guidance negatively impacts students. It has recently seen how public property is being harmed in the name of the student movement. All this happens when the students do not get proper guidance. In such a situation, they go astray and they start using their abilities and energy to do wrong things. Political parties take advantage of this. In such a situation, it is very important that children are given good education and culture from the student life so that they will later be able to contribute to the creation of self-reliant India. The conclusion. There is no doubt that the students of any country are the guide of its future. Therefore, it is very important to establish ideal values within the person from the student life itself so that the children of our country can realize the Prime Minister's dream of creating a self reliant India by making all round national development.